Now let's see this. 2x square minus 7y plus 6 equal to 0, 4y square equal to 9. Now if you observe this, the product of two numbers has to be 12 and the sum of them has to be minus 7. So the numbers will be minus 4 and minus 3. Got it? So now if you pull out 2x as common here, you are going to get this, right? And if you simplify it, you are going to see that x can be either 2 or x can be 3 by 2, right? And on the other side, y, for the values of y square is going to be 9 by 4. So either if y equal to plus 3 by 2 or if y equal to minus 3 by 2, we are going to get 9 by 4, right? Therefore these are the values, right? Now if you observe this, all the cases, so 2 if you compare with 3 by 2, 2 is greater. 3 by 2 if you compare, equal. Now 2 if you compare with minus 3 by 2, greater. 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, greater, right? Therefore you are either going to get greater or equal. Therefore x is greater than or equal to y. Okay. Now coming to the next one, x square minus 32 equal to 112. Now you get x square equal to 144. So in this case x can be either 12 or minus 12, right? And the other one is y minus y equal to root 169 you get, and therefore y is going to be 13, right? See, in this case it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation, right? And so you get only one value. And also I told you that whenever you have square root of 169, it is always going to be a positive number. Okay, fine. And now you got two values here, 12 and minus 12. Here you got only one value, which is 13. So if you see this, for all the values of y, which means whenever y equal to 13, all the values of x are always less than 13, and so you can say x is less than y. Got it?
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.